here, knee, lower back, keep it straight. And when it's relaxed, keep the backbone straight. Backbone straight. Just close your eyes and do 10 times breathing. Just breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly. Keep your whole body weight on the floor. Come on, all of you. Keep it very light. Don't keep your body very stiff. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly, 10 times. This asana is called as Sukh asana. What asana? Sukh asana. Sukh asana. The next asana, sitting asana, what we are going to do is Parvat asana. Parvat means mountain. We are going to do mountain pose. And when you do this exercise, our upper body gets stretched. So very important that your upper body gets stretched and your ribs open up. Very important for your respiratory system also. Okay, ready? Keep your hand. And when you're going up, you have to breathe in. Sideways, take your hand sideways up. Breathe. Move your hand slowly up. Make a mountain shape. Come on, all of us. Stretch. Touch it to your ear. Stretch. Up. Where are up? Up. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Without slowly. Back to it. Now you see when you do this part of the body gets stretched. Very important. All of you this part has to relax. So once again, breathe in, go up again. Take it back side, take it back side. Don't bend it. Come on, up. Try to take it as straight as possible. Come on. Hold it. Slowly come down. Now let us do Bhadrasana. Bhadrasana, what you want to do is now see and release your leg. If you're touching it, come and sideways, cross around. Spine and cross around. Keep it straight. Hands behind like this. And keep your backbone erect. Okay? Now release slowly. Leave it loose. Now leave it loose. When I see tighter, go tighter. Okay? Breathe in. Come up straight. Make your backbone straight up. Come on. All of you. Tighter. Leave. Breathe again. Come straight. Release. Breathe. Come on, come at 90 degrees of angle. Come on. Try to breathe as straight as possible. Come on. Release. Now let us do sitting Sukhasana. Bhadrasana is also called as rock pose. Now this is the only exercise which you can do on full stomach. Yoga is supposed to be done in empty stomach, correct? But this is the only exercise that you can do on full stomach. After having food, 15 minutes. After 15 minutes you can sit in Bhadrasana. You see your food will automatically get digested. Very easy to digest. Now for this, your knee are going to pain a little. If you have pain, then release your posture and sit in Sukhasana. All understood? मागच्या बहुत करूया थोडं डाउन चला. Understood? Some have knee problem, some are old age, some are not fit enough, or whatever it is. How much you can do? Okay, come back, come in a kneeling posture now. Come on. See how first together. Sit on it. Come on, sit on it. How much you can sit, you sit. Your leg. Spine straight to the ground. Flat outside the back. And sit. Hand on the knees. Just for 10 seconds you sit. No problem. Close your eyes also. Don't get distracted. Close your eyes and just breathe. Simple breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. If it is paining, then release your posture and release your further position. If it is paining, then release your posture. You see how much you can. We have finished with standing, we have finished with sitting. Now we are going to do a pranayama. Now, friends, pranayama is very, very important. See that every all in the evening to see the difference. Nowadays, all we are going through a lot of stress. All the teachers are putting a lot of stress. Release the stress. This is very, very important. Everybody has to do it. Your mind will become stronger. It will release all your stress. What is going to do? It is going to calm you. When you are calm, these things are going very easy for you. But let us start. First, is what you have to do is Brahmari Pranayama. Brahmari is B sound, humming sound you have to make from your mouth. And when you do this humming sound, your whole brain and mind gets vibrated. The vibration will help you to release all your stress and anxiety, all anger will come out. Now how to do it, I'll show you first. This thumb, you have to touch it to the ear and close it. These two fingers on your eyes. This middle finger on the lip. This small finger, you can see the fifth one. Bring it on your chin. All of you understood? Now also, don't look into here. Please look here. Don't do it in the wrong way. If you do it in a wrong way, it will be harmful. If you do it in a right way, it will be very helpful. That is, you have to do it in the right way. You have to finish all your breath, then you have to inhale and then do it again. Then do 5 times. I will see what is the difference will be there. Okay, ready? Let's start. Take a position. When I tell you breathe, you breathe. See that you don't keep your breath. Release all your breath. Ready? Breathe. Start. Anulom Vilom. Nostril breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. This is a very good exercise. Everybody should include it in your daily lifestyle. At least 2 or 3 minutes do it regularly. This is very important where blood pressure comes in control. The anxiety comes in control. The blood pressure, diabetes, everything comes in control. Do it regularly. Slow and steady you have to increase the number of cycles. Now today we are going to do 50 cycles. Ready? Now how to do it? Now see here. Start with your Come, right hand. Always your right hand. Keep it on your right nostril. Also, keep it on the right nostril. Now this is my right hand. This is your right hand in this side. Okay. Now use your ring finger. This is a ring finger. This is fourth one. You can bend up and change over. Okay, ready? Now see that when you're doing the exercise, do it very slowly. Don't have to make noise. Come out with. No, don't have to do that. Very slowly you have to do it when you're breathing. Very slowly. So that you calm down. All the way understood? Ready? Let's start. Ready? Breathe in slowly. Hold your breath. Change your finger. And leave it from the right nostril. Now take it from the right nostril. Breathe in from the right nostril. Block it. Leave it from the left nostril. Breathe from the left. Block it. Leave it from the right. Breathe in from the right. Leave it from the left. Slowly, don't strain yourself. Very slowly, very slowly. Unclench and relax. There is your time. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. When you breathe in, your air goes in. When you breathe out, all the toxins come out. That is what is very important. Releases all your stress. See that keep your body very light.